Okay, baby getting a nice summer bath.
No, get over here.
A nice summer bath. Linda giving baby a nice summer bath today. Oh boy, is she enjoying this.
Yeah.
She's enjoying this.
Not Linda or baby.
She's enjoying this.
No. No.
This is July the,
It's not July anything.
I mean, it's June the 22nd, I believe. Sunday.
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that. We're not too expert around here.
We just know if we got up, we're alive.
Yeah.
We didn't get up, we're dead.
Oh boy, is baby enjoying that bath.
Oh, yeah, boy.
And Linda's enjoying it.
Yeah, Linda's getting a bath. No. I need a big towel.
Ah, the joys of having puppies. Ah, the joy of it.
There, stop. Stop right there. No, you're not running. You're not. No, you're not. You ain't getting away from me.
She wants to get away.
I ain't done with you.
Oh, boy. She looks spotless, honey. She looks spotless.
Give me that foot.
Yeah.
Those fingers all here.
Yeah.
No, no.
See, this is so much fun.
Get over here. Stop.
I'm glad I'm the cinematographer of this bathing. Oh boy.
Oh, you smell so pretty.
Oh boy.
Smells like a
Oh
girl.
boy.
Smells just like a girl.
Oh boy. He says, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, I know she is. But she ain't getting away yet.
Not quite ready to go. The joys of summer.
Rosebud.
The joys of
Rosebud.
summer.
It's a rosebud.
The joys of summer.
Okay. Go on now. Go play. Go play.
There she goes. Meow. There she goes. Where is she going? She ain't going anywhere. Okay, baby. Bath is done.